Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Roblox account you want to fund. This matters because codes bind to the account redeemed. Once logged in, open the Redeem page or the Store section. This is where codes are entered. Make sure your gift card code is clear. Scratch carefully if needed and type characters exactly. If you plan to purchase Robux immediately, choose the correct Robux bundle now so you can apply funds without switching accounts or losing promotional bonuses. Once on the redemption interface, paste or type the code into the entry box and double-check characters. Letter number errors cause failures. After validation, choose whether to convert the balance into Robux for instant purchases or into billing credit for later use. Selecting Robux applies a specific bundle price, while credit sits in your account. If buying an item, click Buy Now and confirm. If redeeming only, check your account balance to verify successful application before closing the page. To finish, verify the updated Robux or credit balance inside your account or the top right Robux indicator so you know funds are available. If the code reads invalid, first re-enter carefully, then confirm the card wasn't already redeemed or expired. Contact the retailer if receipt shows a problem. For persistent checkout errors, clear your browser cache or switch browsers or devices and make sure your account details match billing info. These steps resolve most purchase failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.